All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. All right. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Please, if this is your first time of coming across to this channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. You are welcome. What we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns jamb, admission, post UTME, WAEC, NECO, and a whole lot of them. All right. So not only that, we also give assistance to people, to some of our candidates to gain admission. All right, so if you are any of these candidates, please, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so the reason why you are subscribing to our YouTube channel is that we upload updates update that concerns your school of choice. All right, so updates every day. All right, so you don't need to miss out with updates. That's the reason why you need to subscribe and turn on bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing updates like this, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so having said that, guys, let's go to the next slide. All right, so our topic of today is list of courses offered in University of Ilorin. All right, some of my candidates came to ask me about the courses. All right, so of course so many of them don't know the courses. They feel that some of them might be thinking to go for a course but not knowing that University of Ilorin doesn't offer that course. All right, so that's why they want to confirm from me. All right, so and I promise them that I'll be doing it here on the channel. The reason why I'm doing it here on the channel is because of my subscribers, because they are very, very important to me. Because I promise all my subscribers that whatever information or whatever question that any of my candidates ask me, I will definitely have to come here to answer all of the questions so that everybody that have subscribed to our Brainybite tutorial will learn from that. All right, and have the knowledge. Okay, so before I continue on this video today, I want to introduce you to our WhatsApp platform. All right, it is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. All right, so of course you yourself can become one of our member. The only way you can become one of our members is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I would definitely have to add you on our WhatsApp group. So there in our WhatsApp group, we have access to your school's updates. All right, we are giving updates back to back in that group. Then you have access to our guidance, and you also have to interact with your fellow aspirants there as well. And also you have access to the ongoing NECO free answers. All right, basically in that group. So that's what we do in the group. All right, so if that interests you, please hit the subscribe button, turn on all bell notification, and let me see you in the group. All right, I love you all. Let's continue. Okay, so the first on our list is accounting. I'm giving you the list of accredited courses offered in University of Ilorin, popularly known as UNILORIN. All right, so I'm there right now. So the first on our list is accounting. After accounting, we have adult education. After adult education, we have agricultural and biosystems engineering. Agricultural and biosystems engineering. After that, we have agricultural science and education. After agricultural science and education, we have agriculture. After agriculture, we have anatomy. After anatomy, we have applied geophysics. After applied geophysics, we have Arabic studies. After Arabic studies, we have architecture. After architecture, we have social studies. After social studies, we have biochemistry. After biochemistry, we have biomedical engineering. After biomedical engineering, we have building technology education. After building technology education, we have business administration. After business administration, we have business education. After business education, we have chemical engineering. After chemical engineering, we have chemistry. After chemistry, we have civil engineering. After civil engineering, we have common and Islamic law. After common and Islamic law, we have common law. After common law, we have comparative religious studies. After comparative religious studies, we have computer engineering. After computer engineering, we have computer science. After computer science, we have criminology and security studies. After criminology and security studies, we have doctor of pharmacy, which is pharmacy. After pharmacy, we have economics. After economics, we have education and Arabic. After education and Arabic, we have education and biology. After education and biology, we have education and chemistry. After education and chemistry, we have education and Christian religious studies. After education and Christian religious studies, we have education and computer science. After education and computer science, we have education and economics. After education and economics, we have education and English language. After education and English language, we have education and French. After education and French, we have education and geography. After education and geography, we have education and history. After education and history, we have education and Islamic studies. After education and Islamic studies, we have education and mathematics. After education and mathematics, we have education and physics. After education and physics, we have education and Yoruba. After education and Yoruba, we have educational management. After educational management, we have educational technology and introductory technology. After educational technology and introductory technology, we have electrical electronics engineering. After elect, we have English language. After English language, we have estate management. After estate management, we have finance. After finance, we have fisheries and aquaculture. After fisheries and aquaculture, we have food engineering. After food engineering, we have food science. After food science, we have forestry and wildlife management. After forestry and wildlife management, we have French. After French, we have geography and environmental management. After geography and environmental management, we have geology. After geology, we have Hausa. After Hausa, we have health education. After health education, we have history and international studies. After history and international studies, we have home economics. After home economics, we have human kinetics. After human kinetics, we have Igbo. After Igbo, we have industrial chemistry. After industrial chemistry, we have industrial relations and personnel management. After industrial relations and personnel management, we have information and communication science. After information and communication science, we have Islamic studies. After Islamic studies, we have library and information science. After library and information science, we have linguistics. After linguistics, we have marketing. After marketing, we have mass communication. After mass communication, we have mathematics. After mathematics, we have mechanical engineering. After mechanical engineering, we have medical laboratory science. After medical laboratory science, we have medicine and surgery. After medicine and surgery, we have metalwork technology education. Alright, so after metalwork technology education, we have metallurgical and materials engineering. After metallurgical and materials engineering, we have microbiology. After microbiology, we have nursing and nursing science. After nursing and nursing science, we have optometry. After optometry, we have performing arts. After performing arts, we have physics. After physics, we have physiology. After physiology, we have physiotherapy. After physiotherapy, we have plant biology. After plant biology, we have political science. After political science, we have primary education studies. After primary education studies, we have psychology. After psychology, we have public administration. After public administration, we have quantity surveying. After quantity surveying, we have social work. After social work, we have sociology. After sociology, we have statistics. After statistics, we have surveying and geoinformatics. After surveying and geoinformatics, we have teacher education science. After teacher education science, we have technical education. After technical education, we have telecommunication science. After telecommunication science, we have urban and regional planning. After urban and regional planning, we have veterinary medicine. After veterinary medicine, we have water resources and environmental engineering. After water resources and environmental engineering, we have woodwork technology. After woodwork technology, we have woodwork technology education. After woodwork technology education, we have Yoruba. After Yoruba, we have the last on our list, which is zoology. Alright, so this is where I'll be ending this video for today. So we have seen the accredited courses offered by University of UNILORIN. Please, if your course is not among the list, you can let me know on the comment section. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe for more updates or for more content like this. Alright, so I love you guys. I promise I'll be giving you guys updates. Alright, so I love you guys. Until I see you guys again in my next video. Keep winning.